Buy or not, Sacheu Peel Up Lip Liner Stain. In this video, I will be reviewing the Sacheu Peel Up Lip Liner Stain. If you're looking for a lip product that gives you long-lasting color without the hassle, this one might just be worth checking out. So first up, the concept. The Spill Up Lip Liner Stain is designed to give you a precise lip line that lasts for hours without smudging or fading. The idea is simple. Apply it, let it dry, then fill it off for a long-lasting stain. The application is easy and the formula glides on smoothly. When it comes to the performance, I am impressed. The lip liner stain really stays put even after eating and drinking. It doesn't smudge or fade throughout the day, and the color is rich and vibrant. It's perfect for anyone who wants a low-maintenance lip product. Now, let's talk about removal. The peel-up process is surprisingly easy. It comes up without any irritation and you are left with a natural looking stain that lasts even longer. So, is the Sachu Peel-Up Lip Liner Stain worth it? If you're looking for a lip product that offers long-lasting color, precision, and easy removal, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. It's a game changer for anyone tired of constantly reapplying lip liner. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.